fire as the city's in turmoil. Smoldering streets as smoke billows, stealing my anguish and disposition filled with hatred, leaving morals relinquished. Mortally wounded, formally introduced to the heinous, painstakingly accepted as my soul seems to vanish. These roads are ravaged as my savage actions take over. A fractured spirit changing factions, crashing death roller coaster. The task of death taking over as I roll over and let it. A supernova exploding, only control is neglected, and I'ma let it burn. Leave the city asunder, insidious hunter, incinerating the city this summer to a summer cinder. Return to center to challengers as my asthma inducing furious surely to banish them. Dump your ashes casually, actually in time you will learn this. As if a serpent slithering further down the hole while chasing Pandora's Furnace. Possess my Aries, glowing gold as my hair rays, toe to toe with solar explosions, holding the sun rays, causing the last days, awesome stage of the M-Town, losses and lacerations appear as I'm burning it down with virgin darkness and can't see. Is it too late? This I don't know. Falling from grace and hatred is what replaces my halo. Hasta luego, all face won't hesitate, cause I need this. Closing the gates of heaven, death is accepted and feasted. Left in a state of disdain, pissed off and blames the whole earth. He's changing more repentance, he's claiming this now is his turn. Earth is non-existent, rebirths his spirit in chaos. He's cursed with no resilience, search his soul, no he may not. Learn for a dark and say unto servant, denying all duties dirty. An architect of death, murdering every threat fully engulfed in anarchy, pulling it off in earnest. Fooling around with darkness and stature, capturing Pandora's Furnace. Watch me erupt from corruption, this death and destruction which structures this system. This culture of venom, instructions used to poison truism, decisions to kill them, inflicted in this tomb room to venom. Lights out, say I send them, but then it's in my end, my existence, insist on persistence. Resistance of this poison we witness, say soldiers, now listen. This Memphis nigga, shipping these lyrics like stung with hysterics. Stereotype get break through the barracks, leave bitches embarrassed. When battling on these tracks, I'm the baddest, embedded and salvaged. A savage, ravish, might still unfounded, leave listeners astounded, and bound down a clown in a challenge. These yells are unbalanced. This talent talented to a gift that's immaculate, connected, neglected. With answers and addictions to addicts, it's like it's stigmatic. No static tech, nor added to madness. Believe blood of the baddest. You ask, I answer. Yes, I'm still bragging. These laughs, I'm still laughing. This round these rappers trapped in the bandits. The one that's still standing, demanding much respect, handling Pandora's Furnace.